What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. In this video, we're going to be going into solo ads. So if you do not know what a solo ad is, essentially what you can do is you can buy traffic from someone else's email list. Now, different niches will work best for solo ad traffic, and I'll be diving into that in this video. And even in a bonus, I'm going to be purchasing solo ads this week so you guys can see A, the results I get with them, and B, where I actually purchase solo ads from. So in this video, I'm going to be exposing the solo ad industry, going into the good and the bad, and what you should expect if you want to buy solo ads. Because in the solo ad industry, email marketing is huge, right? But the issue is a lot of people who, get started with affiliate marketing or get started with online business, they hear about solo ads, they hear that you can go to someone like me, myself, and purchase a solo ad from my email list. And how a solo ad works. So you have two people. You have the list provider, someone with the emails and the list, the targeted audience. And then you have the customer. The customer will go to the solo ad provider with the list and say, hey, can you do a broadcast of my product to your list? The solo ad vendor will say, yes, I charge XYZ per click. So typically, solo ad vendors will charge you per click. An average price of what solo ads typically go for are about 40 cents to $1. Now, some people do charge more because they believe that their email list is more targeted and their email list converts better. Now, I'm going to be exposing the good and bad, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Because if you are buying solo ads right now and you do not know what I'm about to share with you, you're going to be losing money. You're going to lose money if you don't understand how the solo ad industry works. So I'm very excited to actually show you guys this. So let's actually dive into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with solo ads and exactly what to watch out for. Let's get it. So I'm very excited for this video, and yeah, I'm gonna be going in full depth with the solo ads, and I'm not gonna go too bad on solo ads. So if you are using solo ads, I'm gonna show you some strategies you can use with solo ads to get results. But first, I'm gonna show you why most people who get into solo ads and they start purchasing, they don't get any results. So first off, you have to understand how the solo ad industry works for people who do arbitraging. So that simply means that if you want to buy solo ads and you're going to someone who doesn't have a big list but they're selling solo ads, they'll go to someone else with a bigger list. So let me explain this with my drawing. So, bear with me with this drawing. This drawing's not amazing, but let's just say we have me here. All right, this is me for now. But let's just say you come to me and you purchase a solo ad from me and you say, Anthony, I want to purchase 300 clicks from your email list. Now, let's just say I don't have an email list big enough to fulfill that order. I'll go to someone else and I'll purchase 300 clicks, and let's just say this solo ad vendor here. So now I'm purchasing 300 clicks from this solo ad vendor who has a bigger list. Now let's just draw this picture. Now keep in mind, let's just say for the 300 clicks, I charge you $1 per click. Now I'm charging you $1 per click, and then guess what? I'm coming to the solo ad vendor and I'm paying 50 cents per click. So now keep in mind, I'm paying 50 cents per click, and now this is why the solo ads do not work for most people. So this is exactly what happens. Now, let's just say this is my landing page here. So I'll put AA right here. This is Anthony Alfonso's landing page. I'll send people to my landing page for the purchase. I just bought 300 clicks from this solo ad vendor. Now, I'll collect the name and the email here. Then I'll send them to your email landing page. Now, let's just say this is your landing page. Let's just call this person John. Now, John bought solo ads from me. John bought 300 clicks. So now from John buying 300 clicks, I'm going to be sending, every time I collect the email, I'll be sending them to your squeeze page. Now, as you can see, if this is a vicious cycle, so I'm going to be sending this person emails. I'm going to put them in my 30-day email follow-up. Let's just say 30-day email follow-up now. They're going to get emails every single day from me. Now, John, he's going to be capturing their email. Now, let's just see right here. John's going to capture the email, and John's going to put this person in a 30-day email sequence also. So now let's keep in mind this solo ad vendor also probably has a 60-day email sequence right here. So let's just put, my email right here. This solo ad vendor's got a 60-day email follow-up for this person with click automations. Now keep in mind, now John is going to be sending them to an affiliate offer right here. Most likely this isn't going to be a thank you page. John's going to be sending his customers to an affiliate offer where they can watch a video sales letter and maybe buy, maybe not buy. Let's just put a play button in right here, and then let's just change this here. And then potentially he may make the sale or may not make the sale. This is why solo ads do not work for many people, because they're not going directly to the source. They're not going directly to someone who's sending them the correct traffic. They're going to a person, the middleman. They're going to someone who's doing arbitrage, and you will never know if someone's doing arbitrage or not. So for example, you come to me for solo ads. I'm not selling solo ads, by the way. This is just an example. You come to me, I'm going to be following up with the person. John's going to be following up with the person. But who truly wins here? Well, one person winning is, me, Anthony, right here. The reason being is because, one, I'm collecting an email, right? Even if I have to send a couple extra, I'm collecting an email and I have a potential chance to keep making sales on my 30-day follow-up. And I'm making 50-cent profit off of these 300 clicks because I'm charging you $1. So I hope this isn't confusing anybody, but just think about it. You're going to the middleman. You have to go direct to the source if you want to get results. So let me just show you an example really quick. So if you've never heard of Udemy, this is essentially a place where you can actually go and purchase solo ads from people with big email lists. Now keep in mind there's people selling it, 35 cents to $1. Now, you don't know if you're dealing with someone who's arbitraging, just like I show you, someone who, you pay this person 45 cents for a click, but they're getting their clicks from another solo ad vendor for 30 cents. Now, as you can see, on the small run, 100 clicks, that's not much. But when you're sending, 50,000, 100,000 clicks a month, that money will add up in terms of them building an email list for free. And then also, the quality of your leads are not going to be as good because they're not direct from the source. So if you don't know what T1 is actually Tier 1. That stands for United States, Canada. Those are some Tier 1 countries that you can actually get traffic from. Now, there's Tier 2 countries, Tier 3. I recommend if you're going to buy solo ads, stick with Tier 1 countries. So United States, Canada, United Kingdom, that's another great place to get traffic from. Australia, New Zealand, those are great places to get traffic from. The traffic converts pretty high. Now you can test Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries also. Keep that in mind. So another site we talked about is Clickonomy. This is a site we talked about in my previous video. Now as you see, people in internet marketing, 80 cents per click. Now keep in mind, now I don't know if this person's doing arbitrage with their clicks, but they could be going to someone on Udemy for traffic for 35 cents and coming and being a solo ad vendor and selling that same click for 80 cents. So as you can see, it is a vicious cycle. Now don't get me wrong, there are people on here who have good traffic and there's people who have bad traffic. Now, so one thing you want to do to make sure you're not being ripped off in the solo ad industry is you want to have tracking. So I use ClickMagick and I use Volume for my tracking. Now, ClickMagick's very cheap. It's $17 a month to use ClickMagick, but here's an example of Tier 1 traffic. So unique click, this lets me know that someone's not from, a Tier 3 country and sending me fake traffic. Now, I'm going to show you guys an example now. There's people who go to Fiverr and they'll buy traffic. Like this guy here says he's going to send, for $10, he's going to send 5,000, clicks. So like, be wary of this. Don't go to these sites and, you're not going to get 5,000 clicks for, $10. So, and it's got 248 reviews. I'm not saying that this person's like doing something scammy, but, you just have to make sure that I don't want you guys getting ripped off on like solo ads and buying emails. So, I'm going to show you some ways that you can actually get results with solo ads. One final recap, you're going to have to test because, so let's just say you go to Udemy. You're going to have to test. So this person sells for 35 cents. This person sells for 59 cents. You can order 200 clicks from each one and see where you get better results. Now, what type of offers will get you the best results? You want to focus on some low ticket products, something between anywhere. Let me take out some of this. Let me take out some of my drawings here. So you want to focus on something between maybe $10 and $100 here. So if you have a product between $10 to $100, solo ads can work well, but you remember, if you were going to buy solo ads, so now this is going to be the benefits of actually using solo ads now. You want to have a strong email follow-up. So let's just say you have a 10 to 30 day email sequence. Now let's just put 30 day for teaching purposes now. You want to have a strong email follow-up. Now this is what I recommend if you want to get into using solo ads. So what you want to do, head over to Google and just type how to make money online, how to work from home, or you can even take out this right here and just put, let's put in, how to lose weight right here. You can use these keywords now and you can go to these people's blogs. So there's going to be a ton of websites on here. Go to these websites, send the owner of the blog an email and ask them if they can do a broadcast to their email list. Now keep in mind, these are highly targeted keywords, so let's just go here, for example, and check out this. So this healthline.red. So these websites, they do have a contact form. Let's actually just click here and see if they have a way to contact them. So I'm not seeing, let me scroll down to the bottom. Right here, so contact us. So you can come here and contact the site and ask them about doing a broadcast to their email list with your offer. So feel free to reach out to them. So Google is your best friend. So if you're in the weight loss niche, type weight loss related keywords. If you're in make money online, type make money online related keywords. If you're in personal development, and so on. So type in those keywords, find those sites, and reach out to these people directly. Now, the next way I would recommend to actually get results with the email marketing niche, if you don't want to go directly to solo ad vendors and test them out, is use keyword traffic. So, I actually use Bing. I have a playlist on my YouTube channel where I show you how to set up Bing ads, and you can use keywords like lose weight fast, weight loss for beginners. You can use keywords like that and send people to your squeeze page, send people to your landing page to collect the name and email. Then you can put them in your 30-day email sequence here, for example. So these are some things that you can be doing if you're wanting to get into email marketing. So remember, a low ticket product. Now also, Facebook groups also work. You will find good solo ad vendors. Also, try to ask for referrals because there's a lot of people who buy solo ads on a regular who have that Rolodex. So let me just put Rolodex here. I'll just put Rolo for now. I'll just put R for now for Rolodex. Find friends, network with people on Facebook, see if anyone has a Rolodex of solo ad vendors that are trusted with the niche that you want to promote. So for example, let's just say you reach out to me and I say, hey, I know XYZ, they sell solo ads in this niche, go contact them. So I know that they have good quality traffic, they have a strong email list, and they're not doing this right here, they're not arbitraging the traffic. So that's the key. You never know if someone's arbitraging or not, but I hope this is shedding some light on the solo ad industry because I know a lot of people that, they want to buy solo ads, they want to go to sites like Udemy, they want to go to Clickonomy, they want to go buy solo ads. So keep that in mind. You never know if you're buying arbitrage traffic. Someone's selling you traffic for $1 and they're getting that same traffic here for 35 cents. So who really wins? Because the guy winning is the person doing the arbitrage. But anyways, I hope you guys are getting a ton of value from this video. I'm actually going to be opening up a case study where I'm actually going to purchase solo ads. I'm probably going to do make money online because that's a wealth niche. It's broad. It's easy to set up emails for it. And I'll probably just use a ClickBank offer. So I won't go into too many details about that. But I just wanted to go into, why solo ads work and why solo ads don't work. And some strategies that you can implement today. So for example, Google searching and looking for those relative keywords and reaching out to those people. But anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I know this video is a little bit longer than the typical videos, but I know I get a lot of questions about people asking me, Anthony, I want to buy solo ads from XYZ. Anthony, should I use Udemy? Should I use Clickonomy? The answer is yes and no. Yes, if you have a strategy. If your strategy is that you know that your email follow-up is a solid email follow-up, you're going to be collecting emails, sending emails daily or using the strategy that you've been taught. So if you decide to take that road, feel free to drop below, some of your experiences with solo ads. Do you buy solo ads? And, tell me your experience in buying solo ads that, if you've had some good success or if you've lost some money. Keep in mind, it's all subject to test. Some solo ad vendors have good traffic, some have terrible bad. You only know if you test it. But anyways, thank you for watching this video and making it to the end, and I hope you all have a great day. See you soon.
I was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some carpet. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry, so I ain't feeling like yesterday.